hold your hand all the way through that process. And so right from the beginning, at orientation, through the beginning application process, you're working with one person. Once you are assigned to your home study social worker, you're working with that person until the point that you finalize. They're there holding your hand throughout the process. They are coming to your home every week once that child is initially placed. They're helping connect you with any resources that you may need, that that child may need, and really helping to get all of those things in place, so that way if the child does reunify, that their services are in place, as well as that you have that outlet there for you. We also have social workers on call 24/7. And the big goal is that I want you to call at 9, 10 o'clock at night when, you're struggling and you're frustrated, versus calling when you're at your wit's end at 9 o'clock the next morning. And the social worker's job coming out there is to really to be a part of the treatment team. It's for all of us to work together as a team. So it's really about just, where are you needing support? How can we get it? How can we support the child in the home? This is a different situation. This is someone else coming into a different environment. And so, we really need to work together as an entire team to grow as a family. Growing number of children in temporary care. We have an overwhelming need for all types of families just like yours. We would love to meet you. We would love for you to come to our next orientation so that you can learn how to be a forever family to a child waiting.